Assalamu alaikum, this is Mr. Islam Youssif. Our lesson today about using the place value to round. What is the meaning of rounding a number? Or when we can estimate the number? When we estimate the number, we use it to find the closest number to the given answer. So if you need to add two numbers with an easy way, so you need to round the number to find the closest number to the answer. So how we can round the number? At the beginning, we have two groups of numbers, the strong numbers and the weak numbers. So the weak numbers defined by 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And the strong numbers defined by 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So how we can solve this question? So in the given question, we need to round each of the given numbers according to its place value position. So for the first number, we have 37,809. We need to round to the nearest 100. So step number 1, find where is the number in 100 place. So the number lies in the 100 place, which is 8. Then look at the number at the right. How many digits at the right? Because I said the number at the 100 place, it means we need two zeros. So suppose the number which lies at the right has two-digit number. So we write two zeros. So we replace the two number which lies at the given number with zeros. Then what is the number at the right of the underlined digit? So number 1, find the number which lies at the place value. Number 2, how many digits? At the right. Number 3, replace the digit with 0. Number 4, look at the right. Find if the two number, one of them is a strong or weak number. So number 1, we find the number which 8, which lies at the 100 place. So count how many number at the right, which is two digits, so we replace it with two zeros. The number which lies at the right, which is 9. 9 from the strong numbers, because we said that weak numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And the strong numbers are 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So the number which lies at the right, which is 9. 9 is a strong number. So we need to add 1. So if you find any strong number, add 1 to underlined digit. So what will happen? 1 plus 8 equals 9. Then write 37 without any change. Again for number 2. We need to round to the nearest 1,000. So number 1, we need to find the place value. The number which lies at the 1,000 place, which is 2. So look at the right. How many digits at the right? We have 1, 2, 3. So replace it with zeros. Look at the number at the right. The number at the right, which is 2. 2 lies at the weak numbers, so we'll not change the underlined digit. So leave it without any change. So if we round 2,222 to the nearest 1,000, the answer will be 2,000. Number 3. We need to round this number to the nearest 1,000. So step number 1, we need to find the digit which lies at the 1,000 place. The number which lies at the 1,000 place, which is 0. So number 2, count how many digits at the right. We have 1, 2, 3. So replace it with 3 zeros. Look at the number at the right. The number at the right, which is 5. 5 from the strong numbers. The strong numbers will add 1 to the underlined digit. 1 plus 0 equals 1. Then write 50 without any change. Don't forget to write the other two numbers. The other two numbers must be written. So number 4, we have 95,010. We need to round to the nearest 1,000. So the number which lies at the 1,000 place, which is 5. Look at the right. There are 3 digits at the right, so we replace it with 3 zeros. The number which lies at the right, which is 0. 0 from the weak number. So 95 will not be changed. So write 95 without any change. Question number 5. 78,240. By the same way, we need to round to the nearest 10,000. The number which lies at the 10,000 place, which is 7. If you look at the right, we have 4 digits. The number which lies at the right, which is 8. 8 from the strong numbers. So we add 1 to 7. 1 plus 7 equals 8. So if the number at the right from the strong numbers, we add 1 to the underlined digit. If the number is right from the weak numbers, we will not change the underlined digit. Now we need to round 845,636 to the nearest 10,000. 10,000, which is 4. 4, if you look at the right, we have 4 digits. So we write 4 digits. Replace the number at the right with zeros. Number 2. Look at the right, we have 5. 5 from the strong numbers. Strong numbers, it means we need to add 1. 1 plus 4 equals 5. Then we write 8 without any change. The remaining number, which is 84. If you add 1, the answer will be 85. Don't write only 5 and forget to write 8. You have to write the remaining number plus 1. Question number 7. 581,203. We need to round to the nearest 100,000. The number which lies at the 100,000, which is 5. If you look at the right, you will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 digits. So we replace it with zeros. So write 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The number which lies at the right, which is 8. 8 from the strong numbers. If you find any number from the strong numbers, we add 1 to the underlined digit. So 1 plus 5 equals 6. And that's how we can round to the given place value. In this problem, I give you the number and the number after rounding, and I will ask you to mention the place value that we rounded to. So the first number we have 456,750. After rounding, it becomes 460,000. So look at the number, how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4. It means we need a number that has 4 zeros. The number that has 4 zeros, which is 10,000. So we round to the nearest 10,000. So you can check your answer. The number which lies at the 10,000, which is 5. 5, if you look at the right, we have 4 digits. 4 digits, it means we will replace it with 0. If 5 look at the right, we'll find 6. 6 from the strong numbers. It means we need to add 1. 1 plus 5 equals 6. So we write 45, and instead of 45, we write 46. Again, number 30. We have 455,607. After rounding, it becomes 455,700. If you look at the number after rounding, we have only 2 zeros. The number that has 2 zeros, which is 100. So we round to the nearest 100. Again, from number 14, we have 38,124. After rounding, it becomes 38,120. So the number after rounding has only 1 zero. The number that has only 1 zero, which is 10. So we round to the nearest 10. For number 15, we have 980,065. After rounding, it becomes 980,070. If you look at the number, you will find that we have only 1 zero at the right. Forget these 2 zeros because we have a non-zero number. So from the right, we count the 0 until we find a non-zero number. So we have only 1 zero at the right. 1 zero at the right, it means we round to the nearest 10.